How's it going, guys? This is a EOTech clone that I got online. I am going to do this video, show how to put the lens protector on that comes with it. This clone came with the lens protector and also an Allen wrench. We should have enough tools here. This should do the complete job. First thing you want to do is remove the rail mount screw. Place that to the side. Once that's out the way, there are 4 screws. One here, one here, one there, and one there. Let me turn on some more light. Hopefully this helps. But sometimes these screws can be a pain in the butt to get out. But so far, these are nice and loose. When I reassemble it, I'm going to use a little bit of blue Loctite on it to ensure that they don't come loose and come out, as they're small. And once they fall out, they're a pain to locate. And as most of you know, this stuff never falls out in at home when it's convenient. They always fall out in the game. So that's just one of my common practices when I'm doing this. Just to note, this piece, this is part of the rail attachment. It just slides in there, in and out. So if it falls out while you're disassembling it, no biggie. It just slides right back in. Okay, all 4 screws are out. You may need to pry it, split it just a little bit so it can pass the screws. Just basically pull it out a little bit as you're sliding it off, and then it slides right off. Nice and easy. Now, if you look at the lid, it has an indentation here on one side. That indentation tells you that it goes on the side with the holes for the adjustment screws. Okay, so, and this is rubber, so you can move it around to get it to fit in there. Okay, so once you slide it in, you line up the notches, press it into place, and you are done. Getting it back on can be a pain in the ass, but it is manageable. Slide it on, and again, you may need to pull it apart, pry it apart a little bit. And once you're done, that's it. Put the screws back in. Like I said, I'm going to Loctite this, but for the video, you get the idea. And you have your lids in place, and everything is great. Just a quick thing, this clone is in the sub $80 range, and for the money that I spent on it, it is worth every penny. Every penny. Build quality seems to be great. I haven't had a chance to use it on any real steel like I said I would, but so far I'm happy with it. Battery compartment off. It comes with 2 batteries, and the batteries last for a fairly long time because the amount of draw on this unit is not high. So you can run with the batteries that come with it for a while, but I usually switch them out because who really wants to deal with batteries going dead in game? And we are all done. Thanks for watching, people.